Yo, it's Jay Smalls, the one and only rockstar farmer. We over here today at the bread factory. Got my lovely over here. Say hey, lovely. Hey. Yo, we getting this bread for these pigs. You know, like they ate up all that other bread like in no time, man. They loved it. So we back out here again. We at the Tasty Cake Factory here in North Charleston. Got bread, little tasty cakes and stuff like that, you know. Just something for the pigs. Get their little eat on, their little snack on real quick. We're gonna load them up because look, we got all of this bread right here behind us. All of that. Everything that you can see in this little circle right behind my head, we can get it. And I've been out here eating these powdered donuts. I got white stuff around my mouth. But hey, it's all good. More for me, that's for the pigs, right? But we got this.